Good morning, my dear student. Today we will revise chapter 15 book exercises. Okay. So all of you open page number 64. Exercise 8, filling the blanks. Exercise 8. Filling the blanks. Number 1. The process of sending and receiving messages is called, very easy. What is the answer? Communication. Very good. Communication. COMMUNICATION. All of you learn spelling. Number 2. A dash post which is faster than an ordinary post. What is the answer? Speed post. Number 3. A dash gives detailed information of events. Okay, what is the answer? Every day you see newspaper. Students. Next, dash phone has become the most common means of communication these days. What is the answer? Very easy. I know all of you know. Yes, mobile phone. Once again, revise exercise 8. All of you speak. The process of sending and receiving messages is called communication. A speed post reaches faster than an ordinary post. A newspaper gives detailed information of events. Fourth, mobile phone has become the most common means of communication these days. Next exercise, true, false. All of you learn filling the blanks with spelling. Number exercise B, true, false. Number 1. We can read information from radio. Do you see radio? You can read information? No. Number 1 answer is false. We can listen. Next, we can see and listen to programs on TV. Do you watch television? Do you see cartoons on television? Yes. Answer is true. We can send messages to many people through email. Email means, what is the full form of email? Electronic mail. Yes. The answer is true. STD means simple telephone dialing. No, STD. What is the full form of STD? Subscriber trunk dialing. So, number 4 is false. Number 5. Mobile phone is called a cell phone. Yes, true. Very smart children, I know. All of you know the answer. Exercise C, full form. Number 1, TV. I know all of you know the answer. Yes. What is the answer? Television. 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 Learn spelling. Pin. Postal index number. Postal index number. What is the full form of pin? Postal index number. Next, STD. What is the full form of STD? Yes, Subscriber, SUPSCRIBER. Subscriber. Trunk dialing. Next, ISD, International subscriber dialing. Okay students, STD, subscriber trunk dialing, ISD, international subscriber dialing. Last, email, electronic mail. Electronic mail. Once again revise. Full form: TV, television, very good, pen, postal, index, number, ISTD, subscriber, trunk, dialing, ISD, international subscriber dialing, email, electronic mail. Okay student, all of you learn full form with spelling. Our last exercise is exercise G. Exercise D. Name these means of communication. Very easy exercise. Number 1 is a means of sending message through the internet. What is the answer? Email. One number, email. What is the full form of email? Electronic mail. Number 2 is used to watch news and various programs. It's also used for watch cartoons. Also, you can use. What is the answer? Television. 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 Next, is used to send short and urgent message. Short and urgent. The answer? Telegram. Number 4. It is very easy. Are sent through the post office. What is the answer? Yes, letters. 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 So again, once again revise. Email is a means of sending messages through the internet. Television is used to watch news and various programs. Telegram is used to send short and urgent messages. Letters are sent through the post office. Okay students, all of you learn exercise A, B, C and D with spelling. It is your homework. Now I am writing here. Learn. I am writing here. All of you note down. Learn exercise A, B, C and D from book. Page number 64, page number 65. Okay students, and all of you learn this chapter properly with spelling. Okay, learn lesson 15 with spelling and all exercises. Now it's time to leave. Have a good day. Stay home, stay safe and best of luck for your exams. Bye bye.